Hello kids, I hope so you all are fine. So today I'm gonna teach you A, B, C, D. So what is this? This is A. This is A. Now let's write B. So this is B. B. Then we have C. Write C. This is C. After C, we have D. D. Let's color A, B, C, D. So we have green color. Let's color A with green color. It's looking so beautiful. Now we have orange color. This is orange bee. Which color is this? This is orange. Let's take yellow color to color a C. Now mix two colors, green and orange. Let's make a new color. Let's see. Which color is this? It's a brown color. So if you mix orange color with green color, you will get brown color. Let's color the D. So we have green A, orange B, yellow C and brown D. So this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Bye bye kids.